Hey guys, my name is Anurag and today I'm gonna be unboxing a cordless headset from the brand Gigaset, and the model number is A490. These are some features written on the box like 144 hours standby, 6-hour talk time, 80 entries, alarm clock and hands-free. It is a 2.4 GHz cordless phone. Let's see what else written on the box. The price written here is 2799, but I got it in 1699 Indian rupees. Package contains one handset, base, battery pack, adapter and telephone cable. On the back we have features written in detail. You can read it if you want to by simply pausing this video. Let's open it. The box doesn't have any seal on it. Here we have the instruction manual. The phone itself. The brand name on the top and the rubberized buttons which are illuminated. It has a glossy finish on the front. Here we have the dock on which we can charge our phone and it transmits signal. The handset sits like this. The standard telephone cable. The battery and the back cover. The back cover feels really light. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, we have the charger also. The battery is 650 mAh. I don't know what brand it is. It is a 650 mAh NIMH rechargeable AAA 1.2 volt battery. Here we have the charger. So guys, let's install this phone. First we put the battery inside as directed. It automatically boots up and shows base search. Let's install the base. We have to plug this wire in and the charger here. plug in the power adapter and the phone starts charging. Here I have the splitter which separates a single line to modem and other to phone. Plug it in on the second slot. Let's see what we have in the menu. We have alarm clock, audio setting, voicemail setting, alarm clock, and we have almost 3 settings. You can increase volume up to 5. The volume of the loudspeaker is pretty good. It does not support conference calls, although it supports parallel calling. So that's it guys, hope you liked the video and don't forget to